6 crooked highways. I've stepped in the middle of 7 sad forests. I've been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard. And it's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's a hard rain gonna fall. What did you see, my blue-eyed son? Tell me, what did you see, my darling young one? I saw a newborn baby with wild wolves all around it. Saw a highway of diamonds with nobody on it. I saw a black branch with blood that kept dripping. Saw a room full of men with their hammers bleeding. I saw a white ladder all covered with water. Saw 10,000 talkers whose tongues were all broken. I saw guns and sharp swords in the hands of young children. And it's hard, it's a hard, and it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain gonna fall. What did you hear, my blue-eyed son? And what did you hear, my darling young one? I heard the sound of the thunder, it roared out a warning. Heard the roar of a wave that could drown the whole world. I heard 100 drummers whose hands were blazing. Heard 10,000 whispering and nobody listening. I heard one person starve, I heard many people laughing. Heard the song of a poet who died in the gutter. Heard the sound of a clown who cried in the alley. And it's hard, it's hard, and it's hard, it's hard, it's hard rain gonna fall. Who did you meet, my blue-eyed son? Tell me, who did you meet, my darling young one? I met a young child beside a dead pony. I met a white man who walked a black dog. I met a woman whose body was burning. I met a young girl and she gave me a rainbow. I met one man who was wounded in love. I met another man who was wounded with hatred. And it's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard rain gonna fall. What'll you do now, my blue-eyed son? Tell me, what do you do now, my darling young one? I'm going back out for the rain starts falling. I'll walk to the depths of the deepest black forest, where the people are many and our hands are all empty, where the pellets of poison are flooding the waters, where the home in the valley meets the damp, dirty prison, where the executioner's face is always well hidden, where black is the color, where none is the number, where hunger is ugly, where souls are forgotten. And I'll tell it and I'll think it and I'll speak it and breathe it and reflect it from the mountain so all souls can see it. And then I stand